In 2009, we launched the HIP National Apprentice Plumber of the Year because we wanted to recognise the skill within the industry.
We believe that such competitions are great for the industry, bringing on young talent through the ranks.
Chris started as an installer, as you know, Chris Adey, and I think he's always taken a passion with youngsters coming through the ranks. We're really lucky to be involved with this because this is the cream of the crop. They've gone through lots and lots to get here today.
And we also believe that these are the managing directors and leaders of the industry of the future, and long may it continue.
The competitions are a fantastic way of showing the skills that young plumbers have, the motivation they have, the drive to succeed that they have.
It's good prestige for the college, and it also is a bit of a motivator for the other students in the college to try and bring the best out of them.
It's been great entering the competition. It's definitely given me a lot of confidence. The standard of work here has been really good.
The benefit for students is phenomenal. We've heard of students that after the competition have actually gone off and set their own businesses up because they've had that much confidence in themselves.
To represent Wales is a massive achievement, and come up here and compete for the UK Nationals again is just, well, it's a pleasure.
If they continue with the standards that they've shown today, throughout work on site, they'll go far, very far.
So it's just a waiting game. You don't know how the marking criteria goes. Each and every one of them are winners themselves anyway. You always want the trophy coming back home with you.
I could not believe it. I could not believe I win.
So I'm so proud of this young man. He's amazing.
Just before he's retired.
Just before I retire, yeah. So it's come at a great time.
I'll be working for myself. I've set up my own business. The work is amazing this year. It's fantastic. Everybody put effort into the work.
Next year, we hope to build on the success of the competition. We'll be doubling the size of the event and launching the National Apprentice Heating Installer of the Year.
I think we're going to see a lot more people doing apprenticeships than perhaps ever before. So for us, this is selfishly, it's great fun, but also commercially, it's very viable to us to be alongside the crop of real talent for the future.